In this guide, you will learn how to fix mouse cursor not showing in Windows. Just follow my steps. First, press the Start menu key and type Device Manager. Now hit Enter to open it. In the Device Manager window, press the tab to select these icons and now scroll with the directional keys. I am pressing the down arrow key to go to mice and other pointing devices. Again, press the right arrow key to extend it. Select your mouse driver and carefully press the Delete button on your keyboard and hit Enter. Your mouse driver will get uninstalled. Now press the menu key from your keyboard. It is located beside the Control key, and just choose the second option to reinstall your missing mouse driver, and it should fix the issue. But if it doesn't, we can try one more thing. Just go and press the Windows plus I keys together to open the settings. Now, again using the directional keys, go to this search bar, type mouse and open the first option. Now press tab 8 times till the additional mouse settings option is selected and hit enter. A new pop-up will open. Again, press tab 5 times. Now go to pointers by pressing the right arrow key, press tab 5 times to select the Use Default button, and hit enter. Again, press tab only 2 times to select the OK button, hit enter, and you are done. Your mouse cursor will now be visible.